Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my crazy big black family on YouTube. Get subscribed if you're new to this channel. What's up? Today we're gonna be having a quick little short dinner vlog, dinner time vlog for all the moms, dads, and caregivers and caretakers out there who cook supper and dinner on a daily basis. This one's for you. And today we have some whole kernel corn, which I added some sugar in it. If you want the kiddies, you can see it right on top. The kiddies to eat vegetables, sugar is always the way to go, guys. Add some sugar to it. So I added some sugar to some whole kernel canned corn, just canned, usually frozen, but we didn't have none. So some whole kernel canned corn. And to this I have some Zatarain's yellow rice, and I pre-based it with some smoked, which you may see right here, some smoked Texas sausages, and right here some Italian sausages, regular Italian sausages, and that is actually yellow Zatarain rice and some yellow Goya rice as well, mixed together because I had 2 boxes of Zatarain, and we have a family of 11, so I had to make sure that we had enough, so I added 1 box of the yellow Goya rice with that as well. And to go with that, for our meat today, we're gonna be having, I made some baked pork loin pork chops seasoned with some Salad Supreme seasoning with some garlic salt, some olive oil, with a little bit of I think it was, what was it? I think, a little bit of some black pepper. And I topped it with, like I said, a little bit of olive oil on it and some apple cider vinegar to go on there. Added some water to that. And on top of that, I added some regular Italian sausages on top of the pork loin, pork roast. And these are baking in the oven, marinating it about, that's what the other seasoning was. Montreal chicken seasoning to that, guys, as well. And I topped it with the Italian sausages on top of it. And the reasoning for that is so that it can add an extra flavoring to our pork loin pork sausages, guys. And I topped it, put it in the oven at 400 degrees. So we got a whole kernel corn. We have yellow Zatarain's rice and Goya rice with smoked Texas sausages and with some regular Italian sausages. And with that, we have, like I said, some pork chop, baked pork chops that have some Italian sausages added on top of it. And like I said, I actually seasoned this with some Salad Supreme seasoning. That's why the color's like that. Nice, pretty orange color. Some Montreal steak chicken seasoning, some garlic salt, a little bit of olive oil, and some apple cider, actually regular vinegar to top it. And then I put a little bit of water in there to make my own little marinade. So now, and then I topped it with some Italian sausages right on top of there to give it a nice little flavor on top of our pork chops, and baked it with the aluminum foil on it, again at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's gonna bake for about a good maybe 60 minutes in total, guys, so that we can get all those flavors mixed together. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. And this is for a quick and easy meal. I literally just put the pork chops in the oven. Like I said, these are baked in the oven. The rice took all of not even 15 minutes. The corn took like about 10 to 12 minutes. And so 15, 12, that's about 20 minutes. 27, almost 30. And then like probably all together, maybe like about a good hour, if that. And that's a nice whole meal, guys. So happy Wednesday. Hope you guys like this vlog from my crazy big black family. This is a cooking vlog, guys. Happy Wednesday.